going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I want to show you this app, Eureka, an app where you're going to get paid to take surveys and, do daily polls. So first, let me do my daily poll. You see it at the top, I have $10.03. The daily poll obviously is here every day. It's 1 cent to do it. It doesn't take that long. This is something you can do daily just to get your balance up just a little bit more. So I'm going to answer this. I'll go down to claim your 1 cent. And now you see my balance go up to $10.04. As far as the surveys here, I really love their surveys because they have so many different surveys that will pop up throughout the day. You just click on one, it'll check your qualification, and you start survey. But the thing is, you'll get paid 2 cents for every one that you disqualify for, all right? So, like I said, there's lots of surveys that pop up throughout the day that you can always take advantage of, and you will be paid disqualification points, all right? So, as far as cashing out here, they have, lots of different ways you can choose from. You need a minimum of $10 in order to do it. They got Visa, they got PayPal. You can send it straight to your bank. Different restaurants and retail stores you can choose from. So there's something here for everybody. For me personally, I'm a PayPal guy, so I'll go back to PayPal, click on that, cash out the $10.04. My email is right there. And now I just wait, and you see there, it takes 1 to 2 business days for them to pay you. So, it's just that simple. Just doing the daily poll. The surveys there, like I said, so many throughout the day on this app. You'll be paid 2 cents for everyone you disqualify for. So there's a really good chance of you making, good money with this if you're just, actively using it. I'm not saying use it all day, but just actively here and there, you really can pile up fast. And the surveys are not that long. All right. So I will leave the link to sign up with this app in the description. Get started today. It is completely free to use. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.